this proved to be a daunting task.
Watch.
As these rather fragile aircraft require a considerable amount of time,
why you gravel
effort,
crunches
money
want to
to
jump
keep them
out of
flying.
a perfectly
As a
good
result,
airplane.
many members of that original group, worn out from the effort, decided to close down the operation. Ah, man.
Oh, there he is. Pete Sinclair
and we got
is out.
jumpers away. And we've got a good shoot. So we're gonna have the pilot in the 450 turn on his smoke and circle around the jumper so that the pilots forming the echelon formation can see him.
Trying to take him at this parachute.
So before you see our crew right here, they are going to bring in the jumper. So you got one holding the flag, showing wind direction.
Jim Shorefighty holding the flag.
They're signaling to the jumper which direction he should come in. He's got the flag out. We're getting ready for the national anthem. Please stand for our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rocket's red glare, the bells bursting in air, he ruled through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Whoa. Wow.
Beautiful, beautiful.